Somebody got pulled over.
Mm-hmm.
Why? That must be bad then.
We're good. Don't worry about us.
I really need to cut this straw.
Mm-hmm. Honey mustard's good, right?
Yeah. Okay, but...
You want to do like would you rather questions?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. All right, so you ask.
Would you rather be
Mm-hmm.
Blake or Uncle Ray?
Don't matter.
No?
Don't matter.
And
Would you rather never be able to go to school again, or never be able to see your family again?
cool.
That was a bad one, but.
It's so obvious.
So obvious.
But education. But you have to be homeschooled.
That's true. Would you rather never be able to play games again, or never be able to have friends?
Games.
Games.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Then I could do activities.
That is true. Alright, your turn.
Would you rather never ever eat coleslaw again or never eat this?
Probably coleslaw.
Same.
What? What did you say?
Would you rather not eat mashed potatoes or coleslaw?
What's coleslaw?
Salad.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, kind of like salad.
Coleslaw.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because I don't like coleslaw.
It's okay.
It's kind of sad, but okay.
How's it bad?
It's sad because you don't like it.
It's okay.
Yeah, but it's okay. And not everyone likes it.
Yep. And that's okay.
That police car's still there.
Mm-hmm.
That,
I love biscuits.
Mm.
Period.
I love burgers. They are the best, period.
Mm-hmm.
I mean the burger.
Mm-hmm. Put down. You want to show them?
Hmm? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What do you think? John, can I have a fry? I'll trade you with half a biscuit. Not half, but like a little biscuit.
How much?
That's like
I'll give you my whole biscuit for some fries. For some. Is that okay?
you don't like biscuits?
Yeah. I mean, they're good. Just that I want some fries.
I mean, we just had a biscuit today. But still, biscuits is the best. I want to.
Uncle Blake, can I get some ketchup? This is 3. You guys really don't need ketchup for your food?
I do. Chicken.
Good. 3.
Mm.
This
Are you
is
recording
4.
yourself?
Yes, I am.
We're taking a picture. 5. 6.
Will you never eat Chick-fil-A again? Or would you rather never go to a buffet again?
Ooh, that's a hard one. Probably never be able to eat Chick-fil-A again.
Yeah, because buffet have more.
Mm-hmm.
They have sushi.
No, I'm not saying more, Mom. Food. I'm saying more places have different things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That is true.
And Chick-fil-A just have Chick-fil-A things.
Mm-hmm.
Never can upgrade.
Well,
They can, but it's hard to upgrade. It costs more money. Like, probably like 2 million.
no.
Mm-hmm.
Money to make it. To do new stuff every time.
That's a lot of ketchup. So good.
Have you ever had an employee talk back to you?
Nope. Actually, maybe.
KFC fries is bad.
Yeah. Another one?
Yeah. Hey, give me some next.
No, it's okay. Split it.
But you just put
Bruh. Never mind.
exactly.
It's okay.
Time to eat mine. This is actually good. Well,
Not fine. That's like
Thank you. Yeah, that's enough.
no, I mean the fried chicken. Okay.
Yeah.
I feel like McDonald's could be better.
Yeah, most probably.
most likely.
But like I said, who am I to judge? Oh.
Oh,
Snow really hates me.
Mm-hmm.
why?
Why does it hate me? I don't know. Remember when we went to
Who
the...
hates you?
She says snow.
Oh. Why?
It burnt me. No, not burnt, but it gave me, what's the word?
Mm-hmm.
Who's your favorite artist?
That is a very hard question. Because there's a lot of good artists out there. I don't know. Who's your favorite artist?
I don't know.
Who's your favorite artist?
It's between Taylor Swift or...
Everyone go
Oh,
there?
I thought you mean
No.
artist in drawing.
Mm.
I thought you guys.
Because music, jerk. And then your personality, jerk.
For my favorite